Welcome along once again to MPhil Physics Tutor. Today we're going to take a quick look through a multiple choice thermal physics question. Don't forget to subscribe or leave me any comments below. I'd love to know if these videos are proving useful. In this question we've been asked to find the mean square speed. Notice it doesn't say root mean square speed of an air molecule at 750 kelvins. Using part of the formula sheet, which I've copied in below, half m c root mean squared speed squared is equal to 3 over 2 kt. So of course that bit on the left is really just kinetic energy, isn't it? So do some algebra on this, cancel out the 2's and rearrange to get CRMS squared equals 3 kt over m. And that therefore means that CRMS, root mean square speed, is equal to the square root of 3 kt over m. Let's add the numbers now. So the root mean squared speed is equal to square root of 3 times Boltzmann's constant, 1.38 times 10 to the negative 23 times 750, the temperature, all divided by the mass, 4.8 times 10 to the minus 26. And when you work that lot out, you get that the C root mean square speed is about 804 meters per second. And it's at this point that many students go, that's not on the answers, what's wrong? And the problem is that you have worked out the root mean squared. And what the question says is the mean square speed, i.e. without the root bit. In other words, we have to square our answer. So the mean square speed is going to be 804 squared, which is 6.46 times 10 to the 5 meters squared per second squared. Those of you that are on the ball, i.e. all of you, will realise that what we have here is actually the value that we want. CRMS, root mean squared, squared. It's done away with the root. So we could have just put the numbers into 3 kt over m and got the same answer. Don't forget to subscribe or leave me any comments below. I'd love to know if these videos are proving useful.